Hello, students. This is USA Citizenship, page 7. We are continuing Chapter 3, History, the 13 Colonies. You need page 7 and a pen or pencil. Here are the words. Here's the website if you need the page. Are you ready? In the last video, you learned that Christopher Columbus came from Europe to America in 1492. Here's Europe, here's North America, South America. After Christopher Columbus, many more Europeans came to America for 200 years and more. People came from England. This is why we speak English today. People came from France. They came from Spain. That's why people here speak Spanish in Mexico and South America, Central America, and Portugal. This is why in Brazil people speak Portuguese. This is how they traveled, by sailing ship. It was very slow and uncomfortable, but many people came. The Europeans who were here were called colonists. This is because they were not visitors. They were colonists because they came to live here. For more than 250 years, Europeans came across the Atlantic to live in America. They built houses and communities and towns. The places they lived were called colonies. Look at your paper. European people who came to America were from countries like England, France, Spain, and Portugal. The Europeans living in America were called colonists. The places they lived were colonies. Say colonist. Write colonists. The American colonists celebrated the first Thanksgiving. They were thankful because they survived a very difficult cold winter. American Indians helped the colonists. We believe that they celebrated with a meal together. Today, Thanksgiving is a national holiday in November. Families eat a big meal together. We are being thankful for the good things we have in the United States. Look at your paper. Some early colonists celebrated the first Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is now a national holiday in November. Say Thanksgiving. Say Thanksgiving is a national holiday. Pause the video and write Thanksgiving. On Thanksgiving, the story is that the colonists and the American Indians had a meal together, but sadly, the colonists and American Indians often had many conflicts. Here is a painting of one of the terrible fights that happened. Over time, most American Indians either died or were forced to leave their land. Why did the colonists leave their homes in Europe and come to America? The colonists came to America seeking or looking for freedom and economic opportunity. Freedom of religion, freedom to worship, political freedom, and economic opportunity means the chance to make money, to be able to make money. Look at your paper. The colonists came to America because they wanted two things: freedom and economic opportunity. Say freedom. Say economic opportunity. Pause the video and write freedom and economic opportunity. By 1776, there were 13 colonies. These were here on the East Coast. Georgia is one. Later, they became states, but originally, they were colonies. Original means first. That's why we have 13 stripes on our flag. The stripes represent the 13 original colonies. Represent means to stand for. See, one stripe for every colony. "13 stripes, 13 colonies." By 1776, there were 13 colonies. The 13 stripes on the flag represent the original 13 colonies. Say colonies. Say the sentence. The 13 stripes on the flag represent the original 13 colonies. Pause the video and write the word colonies. We need to talk about the third group of people who were an important part of American history. Remember that first were the American Indians, and then the Europeans. The third group of people were Africans, people from Africa. Here is the continent of Africa. Many Africans were kidnapped. They were taken from their homes by force and put on ships for North and South America. These African people were enslaved. They did not choose to come to America. African people were taken to America and sold as slaves. Here is a drawing of African people being put on a ship. You see their ankles in chains, their hands are tied. Here is a picture of African people being sold in a slave market. They were sold like property. Slave owners were mostly white people. Enslaved Africans were not free. They were treated as property, like a farm animal or farm equipment, to be used for work. This was a very bad part of our history. Here is a picture of some enslaved Africans working on a cotton field. Look at your paper. A large group of people in the colonies were not free. Slave traders took people from their homes in Africa and put them on ships to America. In America, the Africans were sold as slaves. Say slave. Pause the video and write the word slaves. Time for a review. What national holiday in November celebrates a meal shared by early colonists and American Indians? Thanksgiving. What is one reason colonists came to America? Freedom or economic opportunity. What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves? Yes, Africans. Why does the U.S. flag have 13 stripes? The stripes represent the 13 original colonies. This is the end of page 7. To begin Chapter 4, watch the video USA Citizenship, page 8. Thank you for watching.